guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming to visit. So on this video we're going to be attempting to do a slick ponytail with some hair extensions. This is my twist out that got caught in the rain, of course like the day after I did it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you when it's all over. I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair. I always put my hair in sections when I do my sleek ponytail. Then I'm going to use warm water to saturate the section. Next, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner by Cantu. After my leave-in is in, I'm going to use the Wave Whip Curling Mousse by Cantu, and this will give me some nice waves in my sleek ponytail. Lastly, I'm going to use Eco Styler Gel to make sure everything is nice and slick. After all my products are in, I'm going to use a brush to just make sure everything is nice and smooth to fit into the ponytail. After that section has been brushed out, I will take my ponytail and I will secure it to keep it nice and flat. Here I'm going in and defining my part, and I like to do this step pretty early so I know exactly where my part is going to be as I slick down the rest of my hair. So after I have defined my part, I'm just going to repeat the process for every section of my hair, spraying it with water, adding my Cantu conditioner,
I don't deny there's some
adding my mousse,
evolutionary process going on.
adding the gel, and then finally smoothing everything down with a brush.
Working here today is evidence of that. I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
You'll notice that I do a lot more sections in the front of my hair than the back, and that's because I want to make sure that everything is super nice and sleek and clean at the top of my head, so I do more sections. So all my products are in, and I'm just going to do a final top layer of Eco Styler gel just to make sure that I have all my flyaways and everything tucked in nice and smooth. After I have secured my hair with a hair bow, I'm going to use my Edge Booster Edge Tamer to sleek my edges and really polish off the look. Lastly, I'm going to use my silk scarf. I'm going to tie that down just so I can hold everything in place. After my scarf is on, I'm going to take my ponytail and I'm going to put it in 3 braids, and this is going to condense my hair so that the extensions will wrap around these sets of braids. And I do 3 braids because my hair is a little on the shorter side, so a single braid is just really fat and not the easiest to work with, but 3 braids works really well for me.
I don't deny there's some strange
Once the braids are in, I'm going to go in with my hair extensions. I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure it to one side of the extensions and pin that into the lowest point of the ponytail before I begin to wrap the extensions all the way up my braided ponytail. Once I've gotten to the top of my ponytail, I will secure it with a bobby pin to make sure that the extensions don't go anywhere. Alright, so I'm back and I gotta hurry up because I'm about to be late for work. So, my scarf has been sitting on for about 15 minutes now while I did my face. So I put one bundle in and this just really isn't big enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the second one in. With the end, I'm just going to secure it down with another bobby pin. So this feels good to me. So all I'm going to do is take a small piece of, not a small, but like, you know, like a medium-sized piece of hair from the bottom of this. And I'm going to use that to wrap around the top of the weft so nobody can see my tracks. And again, I'm going to secure it with another bobby pin. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I'm actually really feeling myself. I haven't really worn a long ponytail probably since high school, and I'm a senior in college now, so I'm really liking this. Please leave a like if you like this video and you found it helpful, And if you could do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel on the way out, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working